Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common headache. What to do if you've lost or had your driver's license or ID stolen in Michigan. Don't panic. We've got a straightforward guide to get you back on track quickly. Let's dive in. First things first, if your ID was stolen, report it to your local police department right away. This helps protect your identity and prevents any misuse. Once that's done, head over to the Michigan Secretary of State's website. It's your go-to resource for all things licenses and IDs. Now, let's talk steps. Start by gathering what you'll need. Proof of identity like a birth certificate or passport, your social security number, and any proof of your current address, such as a utility bill. If you're replacing a driver's license, you might also need to pass a vision test, depending on how long it's been since your last renewal. You have options for applying. Go digital by using the online portal on the Secretary of State's site. It's fast and convenient. Just fill out the form, upload your documents, and pay the fee, which is around $30 for a standard ID or license. If you prefer in person, visit a Secretary of State office. They have locations statewide, and you can book an appointment online to skip the lines. After submitting your application, processing usually takes about 10 to 15 business days for mail delivery, or you might get a temporary ID on the spot if you're at an office. Remember, fees can vary, so double-check the current rates on the official site. To wrap this up, replacing your ID doesn't have to be a nightmare with the right info. Head to michigan.gov/SOS for all the details, and always keep your ID safe. Consider digital copies or a secure holder. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.